Hi, it's Jan from youmakeitsimple.com. For those of you who follow me know I love making things from upcycled sweaters, and a cozy pair of slippers are one of them. So I have several different patterns and designs of slippers that you can make for little toddlers and babies up to adults. If you haven't checked out my other videos, you might want to check those out, and my pattern designs, and I'll put the link in the description below to where you can find those patterns and tutorials. If you have hardwood floors or tiles and you don't want your little ones, or if you don't want to be slipping around in your slippers, let's go over some different ways that you can make these non-slip. So the first thing that you can do is purchase what they call Jiffy Grip fabric. It comes by the yard. You can get it at most fabric stores and even online. And I'll put the description and some links in the description below. But what it is just a piece of fabric that has all these little rubber dots on them. Like if you were to purchase a pair of slippers, you know, a lot of these will have this on it. So you can cut out just your sole piece and simply use that. So that's one easy way, like I have with this little slipper here. The next method is to use, I know this is crazy, but this is shelf liner. As you can see, it's kind of gritted and it's rubbery, and it keeps things from slipping around, and you can line your drawers or your shelves in your kitchen with it. It's pliable. You can cut out a second sole piece with this and just sew it in as part of the sole, or you can, like I have in these pairs of slippers, put just some pads on the front and the heel of the slipper, and you'll just simply zigzag around those before you sew the rest of it together. And I just did a tutorial on these cute cuffed slippers that you might want to check out. So the next option is to just simply use your hot glue gun to add some rubber little knobs. I'll show you on this slipper how you can make little lines on the pad of the foot or on the heel, some circles, or even just some little dots. I'm going to just make some lines, squiggly lines, going back and forth. And it really is quite amazing how effective this works. So you don't want your lines to be really, really thin, but see, so how I'm just kind of going back and forth over that area. You could do the whole slipper if you wanted to, but mostly the pad and the heel are the areas that you want to concentrate on. And you could just do a circular pattern like so. Maybe add some dots. No really right or wrong way to do this. But like I say, you want to make those lines not too thin. And just let that dry. And the other method is to use puff paint. You can get these at craft stores. You can get them in a variety of colors. What they are is acrylic paint that is quite thick and puffy, actually. So you can take just any of these colors. Let's just use this brown. And I'll just show you on this slipper how you can just add little dots. Or you could do lines, of course, if you wanted to, but it's going to take some time to dry. Pretty simple, but very effective. So we'll let those dry. And one more option is to use just a piece of very pliable, soft suede. Now you don't want to use it, you want to use the side that would be non-slip. So just like I have with this pair of crossover slippers, I have used, so I have lined it and then I have cut out a piece of suede for the sole. That will also keep your slippers from slipping. So pretty simple, straightforward, easy to do. Stay tuned because shortly I'm going to be showing you how to make these really fun slipper socks out of upcycled sweaters. If you found this information helpful and useful, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up. Make sure your notifications are turned on so when I put something new up, you get notified. Have a wonderful day, have fun making slippers, and we'll see you next time.